Universepacking Shenzhen Company Limited. It was established in 2015. Our office and factory, located in Shenzhen, China, covered the area of about 3,000 square meters. We have professional workshops for manufacturing, with dozens of advanced automatic high-speed computer flat stitching machine, high stitching machine, cutting machine, ironing machine, and needle cast machine. Our main products are cosmetic bags, jewelry bags, shopping bag, tools bags, travel organizer bags, and other gift bags. Our company mainly provide OEM and ODM services. Well-resourced purchasing and professional sample development department can provide various possibility on material and precise artwork on products, like custom request on material, styles, patterns, sizes, to meet different requirements. And our experienced sales team can provide quick response and professional suggestions on products. Our products are widely sold to Europe, United States, Germany, France, Japan, Australia, and other countries. In order to provide satisfied products and service, we manufacture with eco-certificated fabric and provide 100% quality inspection standard and trade assurance service for clients. Above make us achieve stable relationship with many famous brands. With 7 years development, we have already set up a full set of producing system and trained, experienced sales team. Insist the principle of quality first and eco-friendly material products make us meet the trendy of development and last always. Your visiting and suggestions are warmly welcome. Looking forward to cooperate with you.